All right, so I've tried TikTok Shop for the last couple weeks and I've had some pretty good results, which I'm going to show you in this video. And I'm going to walk you through kind of my video formula and a bunch of things that you can put in your videos that can make it go viral. So let's talk about it. Before I get into all that, I did create a Facebook group. I'll leave the link to it below if you want to join. I'm going to be posting a bunch of products that I find that I think are going to go viral, that I think can do well, a bunch of tips and stuff like that. And we can try and make some money together. So make sure to join the Facebook group. Again, the link is below. All right, so this is my TikTok Shop account. I did have 0 followers. I did the 0 follower method. If you want to follow me, go ahead. You can see what I'm doing. Now, I only have 14 videos, so I started this, I don't know, like 2 weeks ago. Didn't know what I was doing, obviously, for the first probably 6 or 7 videos. But this first one was just this LED light up scooter that we have in our house. We got it on Amazon like a year or 2 ago for one of our kids, and I found it on TikTok Shop, so I did a video on that. Did not go well, so I posted this kettle that I already had that I did for the Amazon influencer program. It did not go well, although it did get thousands of views. So this one got 5,000, this one got 3,000, 1,400, and 800 views. I did 4 videos on that, and I really just didn't know what I was doing as far as what I should say. I know about the hook, and I know product features and all that kind of stuff and benefits. I didn't really understand how TikTok works because I've never used it prior to 2 weeks ago. I did make one sale, which was a $3 commission, so I guess my second video did make a sale, but I do want to say that I promoted that. So I went in, I spent 20 bucks on a promotion just to test it out. It made one sale, so technically it's not a sale because it was a negative $17 loss. Now, in total, I only posted like 14 videos, so I'm not doing this like 3-4 video a day thing quite yet. I don't have a system down for that because I literally only work 2 days a week. After I figured out, kind of how TikTok works, what I should say in my videos, I went in and bought a few products. One of the products was this Beast Bites, like valerian gummies for sleep. Posted a couple of those videos. They did not go well. And then I kept seeing this savings challenge book. So I went ahead and bought it on Amazon, got it the next day, and made it a bunch of videos just on my phone. Posted 4 videos. The third one went viral, and I'm going to talk about that in a second. But the way I figured out that I should create these is just getting out the camera app on my phone, batch recording a bunch of videos, and then bringing them on my computer, editing them, because it's really fast for me to edit these, and then going back on TikTok the next day and posting them. So that's what I'm going to be doing. But this savings envelope challenge went pretty well. I had 10,000 views, 4,000 views, 319,000 views, and then 2,000 views on this last one. I did post another one just today, targeting a different market. So we're going to go over this one that went kind of viral. So you're going to have to listen to what I say, and I'm going to go through it after we're done.
This is the easiest way to save $5 grand without even thinking about it. First thing you need to do is grab this envelope savings challenge. You open it up and you put $1 in here, $2 here, $3 here. As you make the money, you just put it in a new envelope, and if you get up to 100, you'll have saved over $5 grand. And then you take that $5 grand, put it all on black at the casino, either lose it or win it, but either way, you're back where you started, or you have $10,000. Anyway, I think it's a really good way to save money. It's a little more expensive on Amazon, so I'll leave a link to the TikTok shop below.
All right, so first, you have 3 things in here. You have the hook, you have to get people to stop the scroll, you have a problem, and then you have a solution, and then you talk about the solution, and then a call to action. So your hook needs to stop the scroll. You got to call out who you're talking to. So I was talking to people who want to save money, so I said, here's how to save $5,000 really fast. And then I went into the solution, and the solution is usually the product. So then I showed the product right away, talked about the product, how it works, and then I put in something that made it go viral. I said, once you have $5,000 saved, you then take it to the casino, you put it on black, and you double your money. Or you lose your money and you go back to the envelope and you start over. So that was the thing in my video that made it go viral. So for me, you really have to find something that is going to make people comment on it, because if you look at the comments on this video, it's a lot about, some person said, bro is a genius, and then I replied to him, asking him a question. So he'll come back to the video. So once I knew that video was going semi-viral, I went into the comments and actually replied, asked questions, made sure people came back to the video to tell TikTok that, hey, this video is something that people like to watch. So then they'll push it out more to the TikTokers of the world. And then at the end, obviously, there's a call to action. The call to action is relatively simple. All you got to say is something like, it's a little more expensive on Amazon, so I'll leave a link to the TikTok shop below, and then you point to it or have an arrow on the screen. Let them know where to get it. You can also say a number of different things like it's going to sell out fast, or last time it sold out, so get it now. All those types of things you can definitely say at the end, but you have to tell them what to do at the end of the video. Make it short, but don't make it too salesy. Just talk like you're talking to a friend. So there's actually some other ways to make videos go viral, and one of the things you can do is to actually misspell something that is on like some text on the screen. Usually I do put some text on the screen, like this one had a how to save 10K the easy way text that was on the screen the whole time. But if I would have misspelled something in there, and here's another one that I did. Your washing machine is gross, and I spelled your wrong. It's the wrong your. It's supposed to be Y-O-U-R when it's Y-O-U-R. So that's what I put on the screen, and this one is getting okay amount of views. I don't think I'm getting any sales or anything like that, but what it boils down to, I think, is having something go really, really viral. Now you can, after a while, you can get into a groove. You know what to say in your videos. You know what is going to make people comment. That's all fine and good. You do have to do this consistently. When I was posting these 4 videos, I was a lot more consistent from my 6th video to probably this one right here, with the lazy way to clean. So I think if you put your own personality in here, you put some sort of joke in there, maybe you misspell something, you say a word the wrong way, I have no idea, but whatever you can do on screen that's gonna make people comment and share is gonna be a good thing. Another thing I think about this TikTok program is it's all about the best sellers. Like if TikTok knows that there's a product or 2 or 20 that's selling, they're gonna push those. They're not gonna push anything else because they already have a product. They're already making money off of products that are proven to sell. So if you go in and are trying to sell something that has 12 sales in a TikTok shop, probably not going to work out unless that product is like the same exact product that is going viral with another shop. So here's my plan from here on out. I'm going to do 3 to 4 videos a day, and every day I'm going to take out, during the day, I'm going to take out my phone, do 4 videos, 3-4 videos, save them to my phone, and then I'm gonna go edit them at night, and then I'll post them the next day. And I'm gonna keep doing that for the next probably all of March. I'm gonna see how it goes. And I just remembered I forgot to tell you how much the money this made. So this is a $5 product, and it's a $1 commission at the time. I think it's a $1.50 commission right now on the new shop that just has this, or on a different shop that has this product. And it made $170, which is not a lot, but that's like 160 some sales, which is pretty good for only 320,000 views. And the only reason it stopped, which was like a day or 2 ago, was because that shop actually got a violation and they were kicked off of TikTok, or at least that's what I see on the app. So that's why it stopped making money, which kind of sucks for me. But this new one has the same exact product from a different shop that has like 5,000 or 6,000 or 8,000 sales of the product already, and they're a higher commission. So we'll see what this does. I could probably post another video similar to this one, and maybe I'll do that next week sometime. I do have a bunch of other products in the lineup that I'm going to be doing this week, and make sure you sign up for the TikTok affiliate success group that I just set up. We're getting a few members in as we speak, and hopefully we can make some money together. See ya.